Ajilaga din tu National Youth Day ekta manai ase India pura de aro eneka homoi de aji Livingstone International Foundation yate bi taikan students khange lugina teachers khange lugina itu National Youth Day manalaga ekta amikan dikise eneka homoi de ajilaga din de amikan lagade academic din Livingstone International Foundation laga academic din bi ase takan yede Pariksha Pe Charcha itu laga bi under the aegis of this tan it be manai she I be amikan itu laga uphold de taki bi phalwa hudawdi gro. Good morning sir, thank you so much for speaking with Nagaland News.
Good morning.
Can you let us know more about the Pariksha Pe Charcha?
Sure. Actually, Pariksha Pe Charcha means a discussion on examination. You know, when the exams are coming nearby, the children get excited, they get worried, they get anxieties. It's not only the children, even the parents, the teachers, the school management, all, you get excited and worried. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, after he became the Prime Minister, he thought about an initiative to get rid of the stresses of the children as well as the parents. You might be hearing in the news is that, some children are getting suicide, right? Pressure from the parents. All these things are, creating problems for the children as well as the society. So Pariksha Pe Charcha is a discussion on the examination. So here, there is a link given by the government where the students can register, the parents can also register, as well as the teachers can register. And there are some questions, and after that, once the registration is done, they get a certificate, e-certificate. And after that again, they will get a physical certificate signed by the Prime Minister himself. Everyone, the teachers, the students, as well as the parents. And from these registered people, few of them are selected to have a direct contact with the Prime Minister in Delhi. So they have a program there and they can interact among themselves. And some great personalities will advise the parents, the students, as well as the teachers how to get rid of these examinations. The noble idea behind this to get rid of examination, and according to Prime Minister, the children should enjoy writing the exams. They should write the examination just like celebrating festivals like Diwali, Christmas, New Year. That is the whole idea behind this examination. And one more point, Prime Minister wants the children as well as the parents and the teachers understand we should learn not only from the success, we should also learn from the failures. So that is the idea behind this Pariksha Pe Charcha. Thank you so much.
Good morning, children. Can anybody tell me the date of today? Yes, today is 12th of January. It's a very important day in India. 12th of January is the birthday of one of the most respected and revered spiritual leader of our country. And that is none other than Swami Vivekananda. Swamiji had a great contribution to the Indian society, and especially in the struggle for India's independence. In order to honor this great personality and to recognize the potential of the youth, the nation today celebrates National Youth Day. So 12th of January is observed as National Youth Day in India. So on the outset, as youth, all of you, my dear young boys and girls, I extend my heartiest congratulations and wish you all a very, very happy National Youth Day. Well, my dear young boys and girls, as we celebrate the National Youth Day, first of all, it's important to reflect on the ideals and teachings of this great person, Swami Vivekananda. You know, Swamiji believed in the power of youth. He considers the youth as a force for positive changes and transformation. He emphasized the importance of harnessing the energy, enthusiasm, and creativity among young people to drive social progress and bring about meaningful reforms. Secondly, as we celebrate the National Youth Day today, it's important for all of you young boys and girls to reflect on the ideals and values taught by this great person. You know, Swamiji always believed in certain values. The values such as tolerance, compassion, and service to others. He always encouraged the youth to take up leadership qualities, contribute to national building, and work towards creating a harmonious and inclusive society. My dear young boys and girls, I would like to little bit stress on this particular point: harmonious and inclusive society. You might be hearing the news of wars, fights. Just in our neighboring states, in Manipur, the communities are fighting. In Ukraine, in Israel, different communities are fighting. This is not what Swamiji wanted. He wanted everyone to live harmoniously, peacefully. And he also wanted to have an inclusive society. Inclusive society means where everyone is given accommodation, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, gender, or economic status. Everyone is accepted, everyone will have a say in the society. And that is society called inclusive society. And that was a dream of Swamiji. And yes, young boys and girls, you are going to be the future leaders of tomorrow. And this is what you have to keep in your mind. Not fighting, not quarreling, but keeping everybody in the society, giving everybody equal importance. And that's what, my dear boys and girls, as we celebrate today the National Youth Day, you have to inculcate these qualities of Swamiji in your life. Thirdly, as we celebrate the National Youth Day, it's important for others, like the teachers, the parents, the politicians, the bureaucrats, to realize and recognize the power of youth. You are the future leaders, and everyone should give the chances, the recognition to the youth so that they can be a great force for the social positive changes in the society. Yes, my dear boys and girls, as we are celebrating this National Youth Day, your day, I would like to get into another point of this, your life. As youngsters, one of the greatest challenges that you face in your life, if I ask you, you will surely tell me, sir, it's exams. It is one of the most important hindrance, obstacles that you face in your life. You are all getting ready for the final examinations. The board examination date sheets are already out. Every one of you are preparing for that. Practicals are going to begin very soon. And you know, when the exams are at hand, everyone is excited, worried, anxieties. Not only students, the parents, the teachers, the school management, everyone is, worried and stressed. During exams, some children do not have proper food. They have sleepless nights. Some of them even go into depression. And there have been cases of suicide as well. And I tell you, my dear boys and girls, Government of India, under the leadership, the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, have taken up a very, very noble, very, very, innovative initiative. I think no other prime ministers, no other leaders have done in our country. That is called Pariksha Pe Charcha, a discussion on examination. Most of you are already know about it, but I'll take little 1-2 minutes on this particular point. Pariksha Pe Charcha, a discussion on examination. It's a platform where you students, teachers, parents, everybody get a chance to take part and get values, advices from the great personalities and even from the Prime Minister himself to cope up with the stresses of examinations. This platform gives you self-confidence. This platform gives you and gives not only you to all of us a understanding that we should learn from not only success but also from failures. Believe me, my dear boys and girls, the great personalities in the world today, it's not that they have become great persons just all of a sudden. They have been failures in their first attempt or second attempt or third attempt. They learn from their failures and have become great personalities. So, my dear boys, I will tell you, as you're preparing for the exams, if you fail, if you do not reach up to the expectations, forget about it. It's not the end of life. There are still chances. You have to learn from the mistakes. You have to learn from the failures that. And Pariksha Pe Charcha is exactly doing that. Already the link is given to you all. You are taking part. Please tell all your parents also take part. And you get the e-certificate. You get a physical certificate from the Prime Minister. And some of you will get the opportunity to fly to Delhi and have a direct interaction with the Prime Minister himself. And full expenses will be met by the Government of India. So it's a platform where you can get rid of your examination fear. And I urge all of you, both parents, teachers, and students, everyone to take part in this initiative taken by the Government of India under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi, Pariksha Pe Charcha. In conclusion, as we celebrate the National Youth Day today, once again, I, on behalf of the school management, wish you all a very, very happy National Youth Day. And also, I request all of you to take part in the Pariksha Pe Charcha and enjoy your exams like you celebrate festivals like Diwali, New Year, and Christmas, and get rid of the examination stress. I wish you all the best, and thank you so much.
Moi agede kwa national Livingstone Foundation International Day, the 7th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha. Itu National Youth Day manalaga even ita assembly session de takan itu manaishe. Aro itu laga event do ledo, itu laga celebration do ledo. Kali ajikla noi hulibi ajibra lugina date, that is 12th of January bra lugina 23rd January tak takan school level de alag activities kan luija bole ase. Marathon run kan dishna, kana laga competition dishna, meme competition nulibi talks kan alag kishim itu events kan celebrate korna luija bole ase korna itu bi chanai dia ase. Sai thaki bi Nagaland News Network. For more news update, this is Kamrido Nongdi with video journalist Mo.